Welcome to the West Virginia Housing Development Fund PowerLender tutorial series. In this session, we will cover general system access, and I'll provide a brief introduction to the PowerLender system. You'll access PowerLender using the large red button near the top of our Lending Partners page. If you click that button, you'll be immediately sent to the PowerLender login screen. Prior to accessing the system, you should have received a system-generated email, which provides you the ability to set your own password. Your username will be your email, and then you'll enter the password that you create. If you haven't yet received a credential email, you will need to contact your internal administrator to gain rights or access to the system. I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. As I mentioned, once you click the PowerLender button, you'll go to the lender login page where you can enter your email and password. Upon your first login, you will have to enter an authorization code that will be sent via email as well as an additional security feature. You'll input the code that you receive in the code field on that pop-up screen. You can also choose this check mark. This allows your user information to stay in the system for the next 30 days without you renewing your password and user information every time. Once you've entered that information, you can click Submit and you'll go to the launch page. You might have noticed on the lender login screen, you have the ability in this system to reset your password at any time. And if you need access to the system or your permissions changed within the system, you can contact your internal administrators. We've set those up for each organization. You can click this link, request list of admins, and be provided information to contact those individuals within your own organization to gain access to the system or expand your permissions. You can also contact your administrators once you're in the system and also change your password once you're in the system, and that's located here to the left of your screen once you're on the launch page. We'll get to that in just a moment. As you're working on your registration and lock, should you encounter issues or can't get a certain feature to function, please do email lockdesk@wvhdf.com. That's a new email for us here at the fund for any registration and lock issues. You can also contact Tricia Poe, or if your internal administrators need help, or you're having general PowerLender technical issues, you may also contact me, Justin Hilbert. Let's jump into the new system. You can see the lender login page where I'm able to reset my password or request a list of my internal administrators. I'm going to click sign in, and that's going to immediately launch the PowerLender launch page. Just a quick introduction here. You're able to go to our lending partners website to gather any forms you'll need. With this link, you can search any rate locks by social security number by clicking this link. If I'm going to enter a new reservation and lock, I'm going to work in this section, and we'll get to that in a few other videos. But I can look at my current and existing pipeline by clicking this link, or produce a pipeline report. And I can also view any lock extensions or cancellations. Later on in this system, with increased functionalities, we'll be able to do some other things in different stages. But for right now, this is just going to be used for registration and lock purposes. I mentioned you're able to change your password here and view your lender administrators. I have some additional rights at this point on this screen. However, you do have the ability to change your own information here as well. We do hope that you'll find this system easy to use. Please join me in the next few videos as we register and lock loans. Thanks for watching.